Staining. What is staining? Staining is the technique of coloring bacteria with the help of stains or dyes for easy visualization under the microscope. Since bacteria are small and transparent organisms, they are difficult to observe even in the microscope. So, to observe them easily, staining is done. Stains or dyes contains benzene, which acts as solvent, chromophore, which gives color to the stains, oxochrome, which gives charge to the stain. Classification of stains. On the basis of charge, stains can be classified into three types, that is, acidic stain, basidic stain, neutral stain. First, acidic stain. These are negatively charged stain or dye which are used to stain positively charged molecules of bacterial cell. These stains are less commonly used in microbiology laboratory. Examples: eosin, nigrosin, India ink, acid fuchsin, rose Bengal, etc. Second, basidic stain. These are positively charged stain or dye which are used to stain negatively charged molecules of bacterial cell. These stains are widely used in microbiology laboratory. Examples: methylene blue, crystal violet, safranin, basic fuchsin, etc. Third, neutral stain. These are chargeless stain or dye which are used to stain chargeless molecules of bacterial cell. These stains are less commonly used in microbiology laboratory. Examples: Giemsa stain, Leishman stain, field stain, Wright stain, etc. Types of staining. On the basis of stains used and purpose of staining. Staining can be classified into three types: simple staining, differential staining, special staining. Simple staining. In this staining, single stain is used for staining of bacteria. This staining is done to observe morphology of bacteria, shape, size, arrangement of bacteria. Differential staining. In this staining, more than one stain is used for staining of bacteria. This staining is done to differentiate bacteria to different groups. Example: gram staining, which differentiate bacteria into two groups, that is gram positive, gram negative. Acid fast staining, which differentiate bacteria into two groups, that is acid fast and non-acid fast. Special staining. This staining is the special types of staining which is used to observe the bacterial spores, flagella, capsule, cell wall, etc. Some basic steps of staining. All these staining procedures have some common steps, and these common steps are called basic steps of staining. These steps are as follows. 1. Preparation of glass slide. In this step, a glass slide is taken and cleaned either with tissue paper or with ethyl alcohol, if necessary, to make it clean and grease-free, that is free from dust particles as well as fats and oils. 2. Preparation of smear. In this step, smear is prepared in the center of glass slide. If the provided sample is liquid or broth, a loopful of sample is taken and placed in the center of slide and spread in an area of 1 square centimeter. The presence of spreading is called smear preparation. If the provided sample is bacterial colonies in culture plate, The first of all, a drop of water is placed at the center of slide, then little amount of sample is taken from culture plate and spread in the drop of water at the center of glass slide. Then the smear is left for few minutes for air dry. 3. Heat fixation. In this step, air-dried smear is passed 2 to 3 times over the flame of Bunsen burner, which is called heat fixation. Heat fixation has two functions. The first function is that it fixes bacterial cell to slide by coagulating proteins present in bacterial cells. The second function is that it kills bacterial cells, which prevents laboratory workers from infections. 4. Staining. In this step, different types of stain or dyes are used to give different colors to bacteria. Different types of stains are used. Staining.